How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on Android. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is find an empty area on your home screen and press it and hold it. That will bring up this menu, and as you can see in the bottom left you have wallpaper and style. Press that, and here select change wallpapers. From here you have a list of featured wallpapers, and then you have your gallery which you can select, and then you can choose a photo from your gallery, and then it'll also give the option if you want it to just be your home screen or your lock screen, and press next, and then in the top right you can press done. And as you can see, changes apply, so we'll go back and check. And that's how to change wallpaper on Android. Thank you for watching.